There was once a master sculptor who carved a statue so beautiful it seemed to breathe. Because the stone looked so soft, every passerby felt entitled to touch it. They leaned against it. They chipped away pieces for souvenirs. They left stains of grease and dirt. The sculptor watched his masterpiece crumble. One night, he took a bucket of ice-cold water and a rare, hardening resin. He coated the statue until it was as cold and sharp as a mountain peak. The next day, when the crowds came to touch it, they pulled their hands back in pain. They called the statue cruel. The sculptor simply smiled. The statue wasn't cruel. It was finally protected. To remain beautiful, it had to become untouchable. You are being eaten alive by people you think you love. Your kindness isn't a virtue. It's a lack of resin. You are letting the world chip away at your soul until there is nothing left to give. Today, we install the kill switch. Your brain is a high-performance engine, but it is running on contaminated fuel. Research shows that secondary stress, the anxiety you catch from toxic people, reduces your cognitive performance by 20%. You aren't just unhappy. You are becoming less intelligent. Most people suffer because of the sunk cost fallacy. You think because you've known someone for 10 years, you owe them an 11th. You don't. You owe them nothing but the consequences of their behavior. In clinical psychology, toxic individuals feed on narcissistic supply. They want your anger. They want your tears. They want your explanation. When you give them a reason why you are leaving, you are still feeding them. Why are you still talking? Every word you say to a manipulator is a weapon they will use against you later. Your niceness is a biological error. It is time to correct the code. This is the surgical removal process. There are 3 stages. Stage 1. Anesthesia, the gray rock. Stop being interesting. True closure is a dial tone. Block the number. Remove the access. Revoke the equity. Stage 3. The cold peace, recovery. Now comes the hard part. The silence. They will call you cold. They will tell others you are crazy. Let them. A surgeon does not apologize for the blood on the floor. He focuses on the health of the patient. You are the surgeon. You are the patient. When you become cold, you invoke the scarcity principle. Your attention suddenly becomes the most expensive commodity in the room. You are becoming unrecognizable to the people who used to benefit from your weakness. The person who can walk away without an explanation is the only one who is truly free. Subscribe to become the sculptor, not the stone. Type "locked" in the replies.